Big story, let's remind you of. The Supreme Court has sent Sahara Chief Subrata Roy to police custody till the next hearing, which is in a week on the 11th of March. The Supreme Court said that it's unhappy that there is no concrete policy for refund and all in this case will remain in custody except Vandana Bhargav. Supreme Court adding, you come out with a concrete policy and we'll take up that case any day. That date, in fact, has been fixed for the 11th in a week. Arunachalam Vaidyanathan now joining us. A week, as you've been pointing out, Vaidya, that he will be in custody for?
In fact, as Amitabh, as we speak to you, Subrata Roy is still inside the court. Is likely to come out. All security are waiting outside. The order clearly says that he will be in judicial custody, which means he will have to be in Tihar jail. The detailed order is being read out now, and he may be taken to Tihar jail. They are all waiting here outside the court number 7 in the Supreme Court. So basically, Mr. Roy made a patient plea before the court saying that he will start selling the properties and repay the amount, give us some time, 3 months, 4 months, till such time we can give bank guarantee. But the court has none of it, saying the same proposals we have been hearing for the last 1.5 years. We can't go by that. So that's why they rejected the proposal and said that except Vandana Bhargav, all the others, including Mr. Roy, will be in judicial custody. Court also said that till you come with such a proposal, any time, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, any time they come with a concrete proposal, they are ready to hear the case.
Right, so what you're saying is that he is in custody till the next hearing, and that could be any day as long as Sahara Group come and their lawyers come back with some kind of a proposal.
Exactly. In fact, the court order says next date of hearing is 11th March, 2 p.m. So before that, if the Sahara lawyer comes with some sort of concrete proposal which can convince the Supreme Court, then court may take up the case immediately, any time before 11th.
But the proposals that Sahara have given so far, the court is not happy with.
Exactly. In fact, court is not happy with this proposal because they said first, Sahara said that SEBI will sell the property, SEBI objected to it, and also Supreme Court said that your job is to sell and repay the money. Why are you handing over to SEBI? SEBI can't do it, you do it. So now, then after that, Mr. Roy himself spoke to the judges saying that we are ready to do it. We are a very passionate company. If you hear the Sahara story, you love it. But court said, we are not at all convinced. We can love you only if you obey our order. Repay the amount.
And whether just clarifying that point that you were talking about, the Tihar jail, he's currently under Uttar Pradesh police custody. So will the court send him to Tihar jail? Will he be under Delhi police custody? How does that work?
In fact, the Supreme Court order clearly said he will be in custody in Delhi. So it means in Delhi means Uttar Pradesh police cannot come. Secondly, it says judicial custody. Judicial custody means in prison only. Anyway, the detailed order is being even uploaded in the Supreme Court website also. We are waiting for that.
Just waiting for that, as Vaidyanathan is pointing out there, Subrata Roy is likely to be taken to Tihar jail as soon as the hearing is over. You were talking about what is happening inside court, Vaidya. The Supreme Court not taking up his defense at all, we seem to have lost that line with Arunachalam Vaidyanathan there, but Vaidya telling us that in all likelihood, Subrata Roy will be taken to Tihar jail in Delhi since he has been sent to judicial custody, and that judicial custody will be applicable in Delhi. So even if he was in Uttar Pradesh police custody, in all likelihood, Subrata Roy will be taken to Tihar jail till the next hearing of this case. Supreme Court also saying if the Sahara Group and its lawyers and Subrata Roy came back with a proposal that satisfied them, they could take up that case before the 11th if they were satisfied. And earlier also there were dramatic developments as the Sahara chief arrived in the Supreme Court premises. Ink was thrown at him inside the premises. A lawyer from Gwalior, Manoj Sharma, was detained for throwing that ink, also shouting slogans against Subrata Roy, saying that he had stolen from the poor. He's currently being questioned by the police.